Okay, for a second, I thought I was gonna die. I'll show you why. I'm kneeling down on this filter, and I touched the furnace, and it felt like something was scratching my leg. So as soon as I reach with my hand and touch the furnace, look what happens. Furnace, ground, right here. When I'm touching the furnace, it has 116 volts. This is insane. Let's find out what the issue is. Don't always trust the switch. As you can see, turn it on. Light comes on. I shut it off. I'm like, okay, no voltage, right? Check that out. 117 volts. Would have still got killed. I mean, this is crazy. Oh my God.